Hi guys, it's Miriam from HonorBuy.de, and today I'm going to present you the earbuds with a very long battery life. So let's see what's inside. This product is about 39 euros and it's already available in our website. So this product, for one single charge, is supposed to work for 5 hours, and if we use the case for 40 hours. So this will be the earbuds and this one will be the charger. So let's see how they look like. These ones in a black color. They may be available as well in white color. Here in the back, we can see different sizes to fit well our ear. So I'm gonna see how it looks one of them. And that's all for today, guys. See you next time.